Hi, my name's Carol Phillips. I'm a yoga teacher and yoga therapist, and I'm here to introduce you to your new beam. There are two types. So there's the firmer beam for people who like a firmer touch, firmer sensation on their body. And then there's the gentler blue beam, which I generally start people with. It's just a little easier to get used to the sensation of it. So we start by placing it on a soft surface, carpeted surface or yoga mat. And you bring your knees to bend, feet on the floor, hands slightly behind you. Slide the beam up so it's fairly close, maybe a fist width away from your tailbone. And then drop down onto your forearms. From your forearms, just feel the beam again, center it along your spine, and then gently roll the spine down onto the beam. Notice how that feels. Let's take a few breaths here. And if you're noticing that it's a little bit uncomfortable on the low back or sacrum tailbone, feel free to take a folded small towel or blanket or pillow and just lift up and place the pillow underneath your buttocks. And that just lifts the floor up a little bit and can take out any negative sensation from the spine. The other thing that can happen if you have a rounded upper spine is that when you roll down onto the beam, that your head drops back and your chin lifts up. And if that happens to you, if your head feels too far back, you can take the pillow and just place it on the back of your head, over top of the beam, under the head and neck. And ideally, the forehead is a little bit higher than the chin when you're looking from the side. That encourages relaxation. And then decide if you'd like to take your legs long, or if when the legs go long, again, your lower back starts to speak to you a little bit, you can always keep your knees bent. And I sometimes like to go knock-kneed, feet a little wider, just so I don't have to think about holding my legs up. They just kind of prop each other up. So notice how you're feeling here. If the beam still feels a little like too much sensation, a couple of other suggestions. One is to take a blanket or a bath towel and place it over the beam. Get it nice and smooth. And then again, lie back onto the beam. And the blanket or towel just makes the edges of the beam and the surface of the beam a little softer, a little more comfortable. So that can be a nice way to ease into using the beam. And if even this seems too much, then my final suggestion is to remove the beam altogether, just for a little while, so you get used to this, and take your blanket and begin to fold it. And I say you kind of accordion pleat it. Make it nice and smooth. And generally it's about twice the width of the beam. Okay. And then again, you come in front of it and just lie back. And this helps get your body used to, your spine used to being supported. It allows the edges of the shoulders to drop down towards the ground and the muscles that are tight across the front of the chest, around the collarbone area and out to the shoulders, to just relax. And it begins to bring the head and neck in alignment with the spine. So I'd like you to play with those different options and find one that is comfortable for you, that you can hold for about 10 minutes comfortably. And in the next video, I'd like you to take you through a guided breath awareness and body scan. And all you have to do is be comfortable and lie back on your beam. Okay? So I'll see you at the next video.